Hello, hello. Now I'm going to tell you how to make a melted cheese sandwich. These are the steps. First, get 2 pieces of bread, put cheese in the three slices of cheese, and then get some butter, put it on the top of the bread and under the bread, and then put it in a frying pan. Put the frying pan on the stove, light the stove, and then check with the spatula upside down to check if it's right, and then if it's right, flip it over. If it's right again, flip it over, and then you have a melted cheese sandwich.